As expected, honestly, given the pressure on oil prices on the back of the COVID-19 situation, Aramco results came in slightly lower than estimates. Bloomberg estimate was around 17.2 billion. Results came around 3% lower than that. We obviously think the pressure will continue and will actually be stronger over the coming period, especially in Q2 with Brent averaging much lower than in Q1. In Q1, the average was around $51. So far in Q2, it's averaging $27.5. So definitely over the coming few quarters, the pressure will continue. Having said that, Aramco does have a very strong balance sheet and has a very good and a very low cost structure that would allow it to weather the storm in the short term.
Given the lack of visibility around demand going forward and the excess supply that still seems to be in the market, is it appropriate, do you think, at this point for the business to continue paying dividends as they are?
Well, obviously, the big question is on the demand side, and the main pressure continues to be coming from the demand side, regardless of what's happening on the supply side. So we think as demand starts to pick up, given the reopening of economies, and also coupled with the drop in production following the OPEC Plus agreement, in addition to involuntary shutdowns that we've been seeing over the past few weeks, as well as the most recent unilateral cuts we've seen from Saudi and then followed by UAE and Kuwait, we think the recovery is starting to happen. The physical market is starting to rebalance. Obviously, how long this will take is the big question. But I believe that with the increase in the stockpiles coming lower than expectations, and with stockpiles expected to see drawdowns as early as June, the situation, provided that we don't see a big resurgence in the virus and another big wave and resulting shutdowns again, the situation could continue to improve. Well, regarding the dividend, obviously there's a guaranteed dividend to the minority shareholder that is guaranteed over the period from 2020 to 2024, and this at the current price level results in a yield of around 4.5%. And this is what's supporting the stock price in our view, and we think it will continue to support the stock price despite the challenging outlook over the coming few quarters.